Hey guys, it's Jay, and today I'm going to be telling you what to do if your iPad just won't turn on or something like that, just won't turn on. So, a lot of people say, oh, you definitely need to go take it to the Apple store. That's not true. What you need to do is hold the home button down and the lock sleep button down at the same time and hold them for about 10 to 15 seconds. Or just until the Apple logo pops up. And then once the Apple logo pops up, click the home button maybe 3 times. And then that should get it working. And if not, comment down below and I'll tell you some other ways. So thanks for watching this video, and bye guys.